প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আশা করি তোমরা সকলেই আল্লাহ তাআলার রহমতে ভালোই আছো। একটি ডায়ালগ দিয়েই একাধিক ডায়ালগ লেখার নিয়ম। Dialogue format. Dialogue 01. Bad side related dialogue format. A dialogue between myself and my friend is about our given below. Sakab, good morning. How are you? Rakib, good morning. I am fine, and you? Sakab, I am also fine. Are you free now? Rakib, yes. Why? Sakab, actually, I want to talk with you about an important matter. Rakib, of course you can ask me whatever you want to know. Sakab, Rakib, it is a burning question of Bangladesh. It is going out of our control. IT hampers of the development of our country. Sakab, how can we solve it? Rakib, only government cannot solve this problem. Besides, all kinds of people of our society should take necessary steps to remove this problem. Sakab, thank you very much. I have learned many things from you. Rakib, you are welcome.